siyabonga ukuthi uNkulunkulu usisekela ngaso sonke isikhathi. Ngixolela angikwazi ukuba ngumsile. Kodwa ngizokusho ukuthi ngiyabonga ukuthi ngiphuma ngobuningi benu ngaso sonke isikhathi. Sacela nakusasa niphuma ngobuningi benu sizosisekela. Nathi siyanithembisa ukuthi sizosimisela sidlale ngokuzikhandla sinikeze nehlupho elifunayo. Siyabonga.
Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso wakhe. Siyamuzwa bafethu uMduduzi Shabalala lana uthembisa amafans waseThekwini ukuthi bazoyithola le 3 points le abayifunayo. So ayisokulele kubo bafethu ukuthi bayideliver ngempela i3 points baperforme kahle for amafans. Uyabonga nanokuthi amafans ipresence yabo nanokuthi babasiza kangakanani nje ukuthi baze eStadium njalo. Imagine base airport laphana but njalo mabaseThekwini baba welcome with warm hands. Cause bayithanda iKaizer Chiefs, bayabathanda, but they get disappointed if iKaizer Chiefs ayenzi kahle. So kulele kubo-ke abeKaizer Chiefs ukuthi bazoresponda kanjani. Uthando lungaka bafethu, just nje amafans asifuneli iwini kuphela. But-ke sometimes the team, well at times the team fall short ukuthi abakwazi ukwathola lama results lawa for ilokhu njalo for ama-fans weKaizer Chiefs because of they rally behind the team bafethu. I think Durban is one of the most regions or towns noma ngithi idolobha la bayisupporta khona kakhulu iKaizer Chiefs. Every time midlala laphana nje kuba ibuzz njalo. So they just have to deliver. So bona I think uShabalala unokuba nenkinga zakhe nama-fans, i-love and hate menza lese izinto thola ukuthi ama-fans they are against lezo zinto lezo, but-ke siyamazi ukuthi usuper talented. Any given day uyakwazi ukudeliver for iKaizer Chiefs, and then ama-performances wakhe in recent days bafethu mahle kakhulu. So naye kumele aqhubeke nje aperforme. Baningi kakhulu abantu abambhekile ababehind yena abafuna ukuthi yenze kahle, abamfisela okuhle kuphela bafethu. Uthando lukhulu. The players have to just to go out there inside the field of play and deliver results. That's it. Ama-fans they're not asking okukhulu. They're just asking ukuthi madoda shayana amagoli ni-deliver, nijabulise abantu abaze-stadium, abantu bathathe iy'mali zabo zokugcina bayobukela iKaizer Chiefs because of iKaizer Chiefs bayayithanda. Yes, they get disappointed at times if ama-results awekho, but guess what? They always show up when Kaizer Chiefs is doing well. And iKaizer Chiefs mayingatholi ama-results kula ama-fans anyamalala khona. And kumele nabo ba-notice bayatshela ukuthi okay, yini into eyenza ukuthi ama-fans abese-stadium ama-results. iKaizer Chiefs mayithola ama-results ama-fans akhona e-stadium, but mayistopha lezi zinto, mayistop ukudeliver ama-fans ayancipha lapha e-stadium because of abantu baya-give up at the end of the day. But keep getting results. Sibonile nale game le yama-Mamelodi Sundowns. So kasithi ebusuku bafethu sold out affair. Bakhipha ama-tickets I think 40,000 bawakhuphula, 50,000 bawakhuphula, 60,000 bagcine ama-tickets sebathi 75,000. Athengwa wonke lawo ma-ticket lawo. Why? Because iKaizer Chiefs iqale kahle kakhulu i-season, but i-performance yabo manje seyadropa, kunama-complaints amaningi. But isithembe njengoba naye ashilo ulona ubani Shabalala ukuthi izoba booster, izobanika i-confidence lento lokuthi bakwazile ukuthola ama-results overall laphana e-Africa ku-continental level against AS Simba. Danke bafethu. Ngicela laba abafisa ukudonate bafethu abangibuza nge-donation na ama-details wami la. You can donate as little as 20 rands noma imalini. Mawuyimiliyoneke ungayifaka imiliyoni bafethu, as long as nje esilikhipha le page leli ukuthi linganyamalali, ukuthi ngelinye ilanga nilibone omunye umuntu ozonikhulumela isingisi. Danke bafethu.